Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to film yourself to be look cinematic. So the thing that you have to do now is just go open your camera on your iPhone, and after you open it, you just need to make sure that you are in this video section. And to make this video become like running smoothly, make sure that you already change this part from 30 rate become a 60 rates. And after that, you just need to go click the object that you want to record and make sure that you are decreasing the exposure of it by drag into the downside until it look become like darker. And after you're done, you just need to go start to record the video. And whenever you're done, now you just need to go back into your home screen and let's open the CapCut application. And now you just need to open the CapCut. And now you just need to go click create and add the video that you already take before and go click add. And now to make this video become more cinematic, you just need to like slowing the speed by click the clip and go click the speed, go choose this for normal, and you need to drag this point into the left side into the specific speed that you want. And don't forget to check. If it's need to be more slower, drag again into the left side. And whenever you got the best speed, go click this checklist button, and after that go back again. And now I will let you make this focus on the way I paint on this canvas. So you need to like zoom this video, go bring into the beginning side and just drag with two of your finger and drag into the specific part that you want to show on the screen. And here is the result. And as usual, to make it more cinematic, you need to like split your clip into several parts. Go click split and then just go drag into the specific point, click the split again and delete the other part, and do it for the next step forward just with the same tutorial until you got like at least 3 clips on it. And here we go, I already got this 3 clip, and delete for the rest. And here is this the result. And to make this look more cinematic, we need to add some animation. Go click the clip, go into this animation, in the in part just found the fade in, adjusting the duration of the animations, go into the out part, and in the fade out drag into the specific durations you have, and you just need to do repeat this way into the second and the third clip. Okay, almost there, and this is the last clip, and after that we will find out the result. And now here is the result. So that's the way how to film yourself to be more cinematic. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.